Hello sculpture students, welcome to another week of tutorial videos. This week we're going to be covering fabrication and forging. Fabrication is a term you've probably heard me use a couple of times in class. Basically what fabrication is anytime that you cut, shape, or join metal. So you've been doing fabrication all along, ever since we've come in person into the studio. We'll also be doing some forging. Forging refers to shaping metal after it's been heated. Y'all probably know this more commonly as blacksmithing, so we'll be using heat, hammer, and an anvil to shape things. We are also going to think about making components over this series of tutorials. So you know that we're approaching eventually putting together the things we make into a Project 1 sculpture, but you haven't yet been told what you're making. For right now, I don't want you to worry about it. What I do want you to do is make a variety of things. Try all kinds of different techniques for shaping metal, joining metal, forging metal, and at the end you're going to have a selection of things that you can choose from for your Project 1 sculpture. I'll show you a number of options today, and you're also welcome to experiment on your own to figure out what kinds of cool things you can do in the studio with metal. For this particular set of demos, you will need some safety equipment, your regular shop clothing, so long sleeve shirt, long pants, natural fiber materials, closed-toed shoes. You'll also want your clear safety glasses for this. For a lot of the things that we're doing, you don't need your welding glasses, but you do need some eye protection. Your gloves come in handy to have around, but you won't need them for everything that we're doing. You will also want to gather a few tools for yourself. You will want to gather one of these right here. It's called a vice grips. These are found in the wooden box that is on the table near where you find the tape to label your projects. You will need a hammer or hammers. They come in various sizes and they're located on the shelf near the bolt cutters. Speaking of bolt cutters, you'll want a pair of these, and you'll want to make sure that the tip of the bolt cutters comes pretty close together for reasons I'll explain momentarily. I have my welding glasses here just in case. And I also have a couple of odd pieces of equipment, what look like just pieces of metal tubing. These are found actually where the radio is on the shelf, kind of behind and diagonally where I'm standing right now. There's a whole variety of sizes of big tubes and some smaller ones. You'll see why we need those momentarily. When we get to the forging portion, I'll show you a couple of other pieces of equipment that you need, but this is what we need to get started right now. Now, of course, some of you were a little bit ahead in class and you have done some advanced fabrication already. If that's the case, you can skip any of the videos that start out with fabricating, insert thing here, and just go straight to the forged videos. If you have any questions about any of this, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And remember, watching all of these videos and understanding what they contain will count for your second day of attendance next week. I will be asking you a question about something that you see in here. So make sure you watch carefully and are prepared. Okay, see you soon.